Watch the full video please.
Dang, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
To Wave aujourd'hui, vous m'avez demandé, c'est bon.
What? Oh, you just did some what?
Je suis obligé de retenir ma respiration tellement
Oh
j'ai
yeah,
wave.
yeah, you definitely spinning.
Pour mes waves, parce que premièrement,
Oui.
je retenir ma respiration. Deuxièmement, quand je monte mes waves, je suis obligé de parler, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying.
Oui, oui, je comprends. I understand. Ooh,
T'as besoin d'un pain.
you need to wolf. Wolf.
Une brosse
I don't even
dure.
know. Yeah, une brosse dure. A hard one.
Du Cantu, t'as capté, t'inquiète pas.
Cantu? No, don't use Cantu.
Beurre de karité.
What the heck is that? Beurre de karité. What the? Wait.
Pas utiliser des produits Sporting Wave.
Sporting, no. 216 wavy.
Si tu en as,
Oui, je comprends.
Jette.
Now time for the hair routine. Hey, what's your hair? Apply shampoo. Y'all see that lather? You feel me? Now all you gotta do is rinse it out. Go into conditioner. You feel me? You gotta go. Conditioner. You always gotta put the conditioner in to add that moisture back in. You can't tell me this isn't the most satisfying thing you've ever seen in your life. Look at the lather, man. That junk is satisfying. Add some water. How do I get my lather to look like this? That junk look immaculate, man. And look at the shine. Father and son wave duo. Okay. So the dad going first. Hey, dad, you need a wolf, man. You need a wolf or son. Wolf and brush, you feel me? Woo! Yo, take some notes, dad. Look at your son. Take some notes, man. Alright, y'all, we got another washing style. Time to go back spinning. What you mean time to go back spinning? You was spinning before this, man? You was spinning? Alright, let me see, man. Let me see. Alright, apply the shampoo. Lather looking decent. Alright, I don't know if that's your first wash, but if it's your first wash, you shouldn't be doing none of this right now. You should be getting ready to rinse it out. But I'm guessing it's your second wash because you brushing everything in. Alright, you brushing in all that dirt, you feel me? But yeah, let's see if we're gonna get an unrag. I see a little bit of noodles in there, you feel me? Rag up. Are we gonna get an unrag? Probably not, because he's taking okay, he tapping his head. Nah, we not getting an unrag. You know that's how they. Yo, one reason why I love black hair. Watch this. Yo, do y'all see the shrinkage? The shrinkage is crazy. Alright? Y'all think she ain't got no hair? What just happened? Bro, all that hair came out of what? How is that possible? How? Yo, what just happened? Curly hair routine. Let's get it. Oh no, staying away from Cantu moisturizers, you feel me? That's gonna make my waves frizzy. But yeah, let's see what we're doing, man. Let's see. Yo, conditioner, man. That's gonna make your hair look good. Yo, if she does a washing style, bro, them waves gonna be spinning. But it's gonna look like a mushroom top, so you're probably gonna have to cut the top, like cut the front parts a little bit, you feel me? Everybody's saying how you sleep. How long you been wolfing for? Look like a mighty long wolf. Like, yeah, I'm trying to think. Is it really possible to give this little doll thing waves, or even for it to lather up? Oh, okay. The lather part was a success. Now let me see the waves. Yo, what's up with these stuffed animals getting waves, bruh? Straight hair to waves? What? That ain't gonna work. I know you got me with the last one. I saw some waves, but this one is definitely not gonna work. Oh, snap. Oh, I definitely see them in there. You see? Oh, yeah, I'm definitely ready to see this one. The hair is curly, so you already know once it's laid down, it's gonna be wavy. but it's probably gonna look crazy though. So it's gonna look like a mushroom top or something. All right, that's decent lather. Make sure the lather is in there, man, cause it's not looking good with the laydown process right now. It's not looking too good. You need more lather. I'm telling y'all, man. That joint probably gonna look crazy when you do the unrag. Why you ain't take your shirt off to rinse it? Come on, man. You doing too much. Oh, yeah, part two? Part two, right? Because the video almost over. Oh, yeah, TikTok. We taking lather to the next level, man. This dude showering with a shirt on. He about to show us the best lather that you could ever see. All right? Watch this. Yo. That just started lathering off the jump. Sheesh, that jump. That lather crazy, man. You can't open your eyes because it's in your eyes. So don't open your eyes, man. But great lather, bro. Happy head of waves in seconds. This dude that be doing mad stuff to his hair for clout. Why you using soap, bro? Get a shampoo. That's great lather, though. I gotta get at you. But that's what soap do, though. Soap gives you great lather, but I'd rather use a shampoo than soap, man. Alright, y'all, so we got a wave check. Part two. This part two from the washing style. Your junk look dry. Alright, that's all. It look dry. You gotta work on that crown. And that's about it. Oh yeah, you definitely gotta work on that crown, my boy. But everything. Alright, we about to get waves. Okay. What's the first thing you do? You gotta wet your hair. Cool. Apply shampoo. Alright. Brush it in. Cool. Decent lather, decent. Wait, oh, you're not brushing it in. You just rubbing that. Okay. Now you brushing it in with the good lather, man. That lather looking good. Okay. All right, what's next? Oh, the lather gone, bro. It's gone. Bring it back. Bring the lather back. Come on, man. Sheesh. You spinning, but the lather gone, man. Wait, did you rag up? Did you rinse? Okay, there you go. Now you about to rag up. You brought a little lather back. Now let me see the unrag, man. After you rinse it out, let me see the unrag, man. Let me see that. Sheesh. Rope God, man. Dude spinning.